everybody. Howdy, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Shake It, Scrap It, Creative. So this is week 33, and this week's prompts are the color purple, stencil, and film strip was our prompts that we drawed. I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I have been using this Be Happy collection by Echo Park this month. It's been fun, and I won't say stressful, but it's been hard to find other things that's not necessarily bee related, but tied in together to use a bee kit. So I've pulled my film strip from this package. This is a $49 Market Christmas film strips. I have been working on those things for, I think, 2 years now. This is my kit that I'm using and what I have left. These are the stickers. I am going to use some of the stickers from it today. And then I'm going to use this gold Hero Arts Hero Paste. It's kind of like texture paste, but it's gold. I've only actually used it, I think, one other time. You can see. So it's very interesting, but it is really pretty and gold. And this is my stencil that I'm going to use. It's just a hexagon stencil. And I've got my film strip. I've pulled some stuff from my kit. I do have a white and a black cardstock, and I trimmed the white down just a tad to be able to mat it up on that one. And then this is going to be my purple. And it has little dots on it. I don't know if you can see it. It has like teal dots. But I'm going to use this as my purple. This was kind of a scrap from me cutting out a large hexagon for another layout. And I just kind of trimmed it down so that it was even around. And I'm just going to use this. And then I have this was a cut apart, and I matted it. And I was actually had it matted for a different page, and then I ended up not using it. So I'm going to use it. And then I have my photos. So these little photo mats were from a swap, and they came with some film strips. And so I'm just now getting around to using them. So these are pictures of me and Judy whenever we went to our Smoky Mountain stamp and scrapbook something. It wasn't an expo. Getaway, I think. I think it was called the Smoky Mountain Stamp and Scrapbook Getaway or something like that. I think they do it every year, and it's in Sevierville, Tennessee. But we went. If you're a stamper, you would love it. But me and her, every time we get together, we live about 6 hours apart. We always go to Hobby Lobby. We find a Hobby Lobby, and we go and we take pictures in front of the mirrors. So this is us taking a picture in a mirror of ourselves. And we have them throughout the years. It's really funny. And then this was one I could find of us together out and about in town in Pigeon Forge. But this layout is going to be really simple and quick going together. I know I say that, but it really is. I mean, it's only a few pieces, and I am going to put some stickers on it for embellishments and call it good. So I'm just going to glue this down. Like I said, I'm just matting it up because I felt like with the black in the paper, I felt like it needed another black to kind of draw your eye. So let's see here. I'm just going to put this on the back of this, and I'm just going to glue along the edges because some stuff, those frames, I'm probably going to tuck under some of the sides. So I'm just going to do that and glue this down. And all I did was cut around this with my scissors to kind of make them the same size. There's that. And then, ain't that side pretty too? This purple, and then this one, this is the reverse of it. I actually got them off the free table at the last crop that I went to, which was fabulous. There's a gnat. By Scrap at Your Retreats. I'm getting ready to go to another one in September that's going to be Candyland themed, and I'm super excited about that. Donna does a fabulous job with her crops, so if you're ever in the area, you should definitely come. So people like a lady flew in from Kansas last time, so there's no excuses why y'all can't come. I'm just messing with y'all, but she does have fabulous crops. She's having another one, I think, in November, and then she has a Christmas themed one, and she is going all out for it in December. I think it's the first weekend of December, and I am going to it, so I'm super excited. Alright, I'm going to put these down like this. And I was happy that I actually found pictures that were already printed, and I used them instead of printing different sizes. So woo woo. And sorry if my voice sounds rough. I have been having tests and stuff running. I had to have a scope 2 days ago, and maybe finally getting some answers, but my throat's a little rough and sore. Okay, I'm going to trim that off. That wasn't in the original plan, but that's what's happening now, so I'll just trim it. I just wanted it to be, everything to be at an angle. And then I'm going to put this on. Put this down here. And so, of course, this says kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. Like I said, I already had it matted for a different one, and I shouldn't have glued everything down. What am I doing? Because I didn't use my stencil. That's okay. I'll just go around a little bit. I was just going to have it poke out anyway, so let's just do that now. I did this, and I thought it'd be a good friendship type thing for a layout, because some of those things are just hard to use, you know. I'm just stirring this up because I haven't used it, but like I said, one time. So it's almost like it's not really a texture paste, it's more like a cream, I guess. I don't know. I need to actually use it more, considering it's such a big tub of it that I don't want it to go to waste. Okay, let's see. How should I do this? Okay, I'm just going to take a piece of scrap paper and put here, because if not, I know I'm going to have it all over my paper. So, and I don't want it to be all lined up and matchy-matchy, so, okay. Let's see. Okay. Not exactly what I had in mind, but it'll work. Okay, put this down here. Ew, I moved my paper. Y'all know. I'm not the best at this. Okay. See, I don't like, let's see. See if I can scrape some of it off. Oh, I can. I don't want it to, now it looks crazy. I don't want it to look so pretty. So exact. I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. Let's see if I can use my finger. Oh, it's pretty thick, y'all. So like, it's not really wiping off. Okay, let's see if I can just add a little bit back at the top so it don't look so smudgy. Okay, I like that better. Alright, let's see about down here. I'm trying to just use my stencil in the same place so it's not smudging on everything else when I move it around. Whoops, I did that right over that. I'm a mess tonight. Oh, I just stuck my finger in that one. Lord. Oh my goodness, y'all. I just can't even. Okay. I'm getting it on everything, including myself. Okay. I think I like that pretty good, actually. That's not my favorite part that I messed up. Let's see. I'm going to just rub some right in here so it don't look super cut off. Like I messed it up. Huh. How dare they accuse me of messing it up. Okay. And then I can throw that away. I'm going to wash this stuff out because if not, it will be on there forever. So, I'll be right back. So, here's how it looks. It is still wet. I don't really have any dry time here. But I did want to add some stickers to use them up for one because my kit's actually getting pretty low and I still have 2 pages of stickers. And I think that someone, either I found them at the crop on the free table or someone gave them to me because they knew I was just working on bee stuff at the crop. I don't remember which it is, but I have 2 pages of them. So, I'm going to use them up. I think I'm going to put some of them on foam. Y'all will be so proud of me. I went and got white cardstock at the store today after being out for like a month. And I got me some foam tape at the Dollar Tree today after being out for a hot minute. So, got it stocked back up. So now we're ready to make some pages. Alright, I think I'm going to use this other big flower here. Maybe there. I'm going to pop it up on foam also. I think I'm going to put it like that. And I need something else, even if it's just small over here. What do y'all think? A bee. I got this big bee. I do kind of like these little ones though. They'll match the ones that's on there. I'm going to pop it up. I still have gold all over my hands. I don't know if y'all hear water running or not, but I have Blake in there washing my stuff out for me. I tell my children whenever I ask them to do something, I'm like, so, are you looking to get promoted as favorite child? Do you want to go do this for me? Oh, Blake's pretty good at helping me out. Let's see, I think I'm going to use this sticker here and just stick it on. I'm liking it pretty good, just how it looks now. I think I may actually leave it like that. I thought about trying to fit in this be yourself, everyone else is taken, but I feel like it's a lot with having this big old word thing already here. And there's not really a lot of words down here that'll work, because I was originally thinking about adding like little words in the film strip down here. But Ooh, I just stuck my finger in it again. Okay, let's see. I could put little flowers in each one. Let's just do that. I really need to use up these stickers. I may end up making some cards out of them and calling it good. Let's see. I don't see any more on that one. Find another flower. Let's see. Let's do this one. Alright. I think that's good. And that one's going to be the page. Now we need to shake for next week's prompts. I'll show y'all up close. See how pretty and gold it is? It isn't even dry yet, but my fingers are gold too. I must have the gold touch. What's that called? The Midas touch. Okay. So first up we have embellishments. So pattern paper is our first prompt. Shapes, colors, and numbers. Five. So the number 5. So you could actually use the number 5. You could use 5 photos, 5 flowers, 5 bling, whatever you want. Just as long as you incorporate 5. I always say I'm not the craft police. If you play along, come over to the Facebook group and add your photos so you can be entered to win Happy Mail. I love getting ideas from you guys. Y'all inspire me with what y'all create. And edge distressing is going to be our technique. So the number 5, pattern paper, and edge distressing are the prompts for next week. Definitely go and check out and see what everyone else is doing with their kits this month. And I hope that you'll come over and join the Facebook group and play along with us. And until next time, bye y'all.